My name is Sushil Moite and my team member is Kalpesh Patil. We are introducing our project named as Empower Illiterate. As we know, we have innumerable apps, Android apps helpful for literates but very few for illiterates who have skill to work. So we are here to open up our idea, that is Empower Illiterate, where still illiterate people can find work. Our idea is to provide a framework for medium connecting people who are looking for work and those who are looking to hire workers. There are many illiterates who have good skill in carpentry, farming, driving, but unable to find work. Skilled people who are searching for work need to specify their skill phone number on our platform. Those who want to hire can contact workers through the phone number directly. Let's have a look on website. This is our home page where all information is given. How to create a profile in a simple way, how to hire worker quickly, and about us. Now, after clicking on register with us, workers have to mention their first name, last name, email, mobile number, password, date of birth, passport photo, skills, experience, and past work if any, and address details. Let me put some details. As you can see, I have put all the details of the worker and let submit. As you can see, it displays message you are registered successfully. Now you can log in through the user name and password. Now log in into account by clicking on login button. Here we have to specify email address and password provided at the time of registration. After clicking on login button, as you can see, now you can see all the details provided by worker at the time of registration are visible here. Experiences, past work and all. If user want to delete their profile, they can click on delete profile button. If user want to update their experiences and all, user can click on update button. After clicking on update button, you can see all the details are put already. Now you can update it. After you click update button, you can see user details successfully updated. Now you can back to your profile. Now you can see experience is updated successfully. Now as you can see, all the record are stored in table name as user, where passwords are stored by MD5 encryption provided by MySQLi. Now log out this profile, go to home. Now we are hirer can hire worker by clicking on hire worker button. Now you can see all the workers are listed. Now you can sort them by skills here. Like I click on driver, then all the drivers are listed here. Whenever I am click on electrician, all the electricians are listed here. Whenever I click on Jalgaon, all the workers from Jalgaon are listed here. Whenever I am clicking on electrician from Jalgaon, you can see there is only one result found. You can also sort them by their experiences. a driver with experience 5 years. Now you can see here is only one result is here. If if hirer want to hire worker, they can directly contact through mobile number and by directly clicking on mobile phone icon. Whenever they click on phone icon, mobile number is copied into dial pad. As you can see, mobile number is copied into dial pad. Now if you want to search for any worker, you can search them by their skills. Now I am searching for driver, then enter. Now you can see there is only one driver present. If I am searching for mechanic, now you can see a mechanic is present here. Now if I want to list all the workers here, now all the workers are listed here. That's all. I have demonstrated my software. Thank you.